Hi everyone, hello, welcome back to my channel, Unijax Nyarminawala. Today I'm in this kitchen again. We are going to cook some food for me and my dogo. Dogo, come and say hi.
Hello guys, how are you? Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. We love you. Mwah!
Yeah, thank you dogo. And we want to cook eggs, kales plus spinach. I got my kales here, I got my onion, and then my tomatoes, and then my eggs are here. So today I'm just cooking, it's called tumbukiza. I pick a mayai and then I take the kales, then I tumbukiza inside. So that's what we want to cook. Otherwise, karibuni, and as you heard from my dogo, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also comment and share, and also like our videos. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to cut the kales, then fry the eggs, then I tumbukiza my kales inside. So that is a very delicious meal here in Kenya, and we really love it so much, and it saves time. Yeah. Plus the vyombos, you don't need to do so much vyombo.